Cuddle in, kids. Cuddle in, kids. We got a package. Does anyone know what this says? M-O-M, Mom. It means I love Mom. This must be for Mother's Day. Let's open our package to see what our book is. Just Like Mama. That's the perfect Mother's Day book. Let's see if we can do a little Mother's Day magic to find out what our activity is. Let's give the book a little shake. We got paintbrushes, washable paint, and a canvas. We could make some really great Mother's Day art with these supplies. Stick around after our sneak peek story time to see what our craft will be. Just Like Mama by Leslea Newman. With a whirl and a twirl across the fuzzy purple rug, she swoops down on my bed and scoops me up into a hug. Nobody wakes me up just like Mama. A pile of apple pancakes, each one shaped into a moon, and cocoa with a cloud of cream stirred with her special spoon. Nobody cooks breakfast just like Mama. In her funny flowered hat and her sunny yellow clogs, she pulls up weeds and waters seeds and helps me hunt for frogs. Nobody gardens just like Mama. Nobody loves me just like Mama. Nobody loves Mama just like me. Craft time. Choose a color to be your base and coat the entire canvas with it. We're using purple for our base. Go over the canvas again to make the color more even. Let the paint dry for 1 hour. Take a minute to carefully paint the sides of the canvas. Let the sides dry before moving on to the next step. Now it's your turn. Let's paint your hand really good. This might tickle. We chose pink for our handprint. Okay, now we're going to press your hand down really good. Be careful not to wiggle or slide your hand around. All done. What colors will you use for your Mama? For the full story, please purchase this book or check it out at your local library. For more Cuddling Kids, please subscribe.